sharp like a point. And my point is, I'm going to be your skipper, tour guide, hippo wrestler, dance instructor, therapist. But do not tell me about your problems. I have enough of my own. I wear this for a living, okay? And if you don't laugh at my jokes, I will be your swimming instructor. We are now in the Amazon rainforest, and coming up on either side of the boat, you guys are seeing some butterflies. Now these guys have a wingspan ranging from around 12 inches to a whopping 1 foot. Yeah, it's crazy. That's why we call them the rulers of the jungle, folks. They are true monarchs. Now right over here, you are seeing Inspiration Falls. They actually got that name because they inspire all of our guests on their journey throughout the jungle. Everybody say, ooh. Nice. Everybody say, ah. Okay, everybody say, Skipper Shark, you're so good at your job. You guys, you felt truly inspired by the falls. That was so kind of you. Thank you. Well, we are now turning onto the Congo River, so let's see how far this boat can go. Yeah, I'm really hoping farther than my last boat, but that's all beneath us now, don't worry. In fact, I think we should celebrate just how far we've made it right over here at Skipper Sully's. He actually likes to throw these super nice welcoming parties for all of our guests, so I'm sure it's going to be an absolutely packed house. Oh, okay, I don't see anybody over here. Can you? No, sorry guys, I guess something must have scared them all off. I don't know what to call. Oh, God. Okay, sorry, we're coming up on a python here, folks. Now, a lot of people think that it's a boa, but he doesn't have any feathers. Yeah, either way, you don't want to get tangled up with him. It's a very constricting relationship, so I'll go before he develops a crush on us. My goodness, it looks like the gorillas have started to call the shots here at the cartography camp. You know, I am glad that they're having a blast, but that is honestly way too much monkey business for me. They're all going absolutely ape right now, so I'm going to make like a banana and continue to drive the boat away. Yeah, bananas are notorious for that. We have now turned out to the Nile River. Now we call it that because it goes on for Niles and Niles and Niles. And if you don't believe me, you are in Africa. Yikes, guys. I thought we were all on the same boat on this. What was that? Oh my gosh, how could I forget? Thank you, George. He has just reminded me that we actually have a brand new addition to the ride. Y'all have been asking and asking since that darn movie came out, and we have finally answered. Here he is. It's The Rock. Yeah, he's one of our more bolder attractions. I'm not even trying to take him for granted. Now, as we come down the African boat, you guys are seeing giraffes, gazelles, those brave things that killed Mufasa. And look at this. These lions are protecting that sleeping zebra. How sweet. Yes, children, this is how zebras sleep, okay? On their side, legs in the air, neck bent weirdly, and surrounded by hungry lions. He's dead tired, so I'm going to let him rest in peace, okay? Wow, that is a lot to take in. Okay, good news, folks. I have found our lost expedition. Bad news, they're staying lost. I'm not messing with that. No, I know it's Phoenix's first day, but I told him, you can't outrun rhinos. He didn't want to believe me, so I'll get the point being. Don't you folks worry. I'm very excited for this next part. We are entering crocodile country, and that means two of my very good friends are waiting for you. It's Smiley and his girlfriend, Ginger. Now, please be careful, okay, because Ginger snaps. Yeah, you take it from me, folks. She is one top cookie, seriously. Now, if you look at the very front of the boat, you are seeing the most beautiful thing in the jungle. And then behind me is Schweitzer Falls, named, of course, for the famous explorer and Jungle Cruise founder, Dr. Albert Falls. That was his name, Albert Falls. I know it's very weird, but don't worry. We'll go over the falls later, okay? Now, I'm sure you're all wondering, just how did I land my job here at the Jungle Cruise? Great question, guys. I think it's pretty plain to see. Yeah, I took a crash course with Hathaway Brown, and well, my career hasn't really taken off since then. I've honestly just been winging it, but that's the tail end of that story. I'd hate to bore any of you with my baggage, so... Hey, my baggage! I've been looking for that. That's crazy. Oh, well, okay, I actually was not looking for hippos. So sorry, guys. Looks like we're going to have to pause the tour for a moment so I can scare up some hippos for you. This is going to get awkward, okay? I apologize. Here we go. I love you! I want you to meet my parents. Come on over for dinner. My mom makes these bastards the idiots insane. See? That kind of commitment. Just like all of my exes. No changes. Oh, this is too cute. We're coming up on our newest Disney College program recruits. They're on their first training boat. Hi, Skips. Can you tell us a joke? Not that joke. You stick to your script. There are children here. I am so sorry about that, everybody. I don't know where they learned that one from. That was a it's sad. I hate change. Well, everybody, here it is, the moment you have all been waiting for. The reason you get on the ride, the reason I come to work. The one and only eighth wonder of the world, the backside of the water. Yes, that was a chemistry joke. I make them periodically. They had a new element to my boat, so. Well, we are now on the Mekong River, and I don't know about you guys, but this temple sure is Mekong me nervous, okay? I'm just going to do a brief survey really quick. Who is afraid of the dark? Raise your hand. Don't be shy. Okay, you might want to close your eyes in there. It's kind of scary. How about sudden 60-foot drops? Raise your hand. Yeah? Okay. Both of those seatbelts right to left, pulling that yellow strap, and then finally, who can swim? Raise your hands. Beautiful. Those are your flotation devices. Goodbye. They've got their trunks on this morning. Yeah, I always tell them, if you're not going to pack a trunk, at least pack a drum for the sake of the guests, you know? And right over here in this waterfall, Bertha is demonstrating what happens when you stay in the shower for too long. Yeah, you actually turn into an elephant. So I'm just so glad we don't get wet on this ride, or else that would be really... Oh my God, sorry guys, I totally just lied to you. We were, yeah, we're going to get wet. Okay, sick. All right, well, go ahead. Sure. Oh, stay seated, sweetheart. Yep, go ahead. Bring it back up. No shame, no shame. Yes, no, yes. Wait, did y'all actually want to? I was, like, you sure? Because I was kidding, but none of you ducked. Like, he did, and that was it. So, I can go back and hit the sensor and time it this time to actually get, I know how to, I'm trained here, it's crazy. I just did that to be nice, but I get it. It's like 100 degrees out in Florida in August, but you can go back. Got like 6 more hours in my shift. I don't mind. Whee! Just kidding, I legally cannot do that. I am so sorry to get all of your hopes up. Trust me, nobody wants me to pull that move more than I do, and I cannot wait for the day where I snap. I'm just gonna hold, yeah, it's coming soon, trust me. I'm just gonna hold off an extra day because we got paid this morning, and I really need that paycheck to clear. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, okay? And speaking of wasting, oh, stay seated, sweetheart. Speaking of wasting your hard-earned paychecks, folks, we're here at the gift shop. Yay, capitalism! That's right, doesn't matter what ride you go on, you're gonna end up here. Welcome to Trader Sam's gift shop, everybody. Now, a little fun fact for you, this actually used to be our lost and found, but Sam's kind of become an entrepreneur lately, so we're helping him out with his new adventure. Yeah, I wish y'all could get to meet Sam today, but it looks like he'll be back in about 15 minutes. He must be grabbing some new inventory. You would not believe what people leave in their strollers these days. Truly incredible. And thank you, Alfredo, for taking such lovely photos of us. If you're interested in those photos Alfredo is taking, you can look for those for the rest of your life. Yeah. Don't know where they go, we don't even pay him. He does it for the exposure, so. Now you know what the gift shop means, my friends. It's time for the scariest part of our journey, the return to civilization. If y'all enjoyed my cruise today, thank you so much. My name is Skipper Shark, spelled S-A-V-E-N-E. The cry for help is silent. Thanks for that pity applause, that was real nice. If you didn't enjoy my cruise, I'm Chris from Orlando, and this has been Test Track, sponsored by Chevrolet. Thank you all for visiting Epcot. Yeah, that's just a shameless plug I throw into all my boats. Please stop coming here. Go to Epcot. It keeps our wait times down, okay? I'm kidding. I really do love having you all on my boats. You end up being like family. But just like any other family in the Magic Kingdom, 10 minutes together has been far too long. So I say we